Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I'll explain nonlinear animation. Let's begin! Let's start! Nonlinear animation is an animation that creates a series of movements, such as copying the created animation, such as movement and rotation, to a different frame and set it to complement the action. An editor that can manage and edit created actions is called a nonlinear animation editor. Duplicate the set action so that it can be used in different frames. First, set the keyframe at 60 to animation so that object rotates 360 degrees along the y-axis. Click the clock icon in the upper left of the timeline window and then click Nonlinear Animation. One action is set for the object called cube, and the entire action is displayed in orange. The dark orange color between the keyframes is where the action is actually set. To edit this action, change it to an editable state called a strip. Click the white icon to the right of the action name, Cube Action. The action between keyframes will then change to a strip and appear yellow. Now you can edit the action. Right-click on the strip and click Duplicate. The strip Cube Action 001 has been duplicated. Press G on your keyboard once on the strip you want to move. The strip will turn purple and you can move it with your mouse. Once you've decided where to place it, click to place the strip. This time, I want to set the rotation action at frame 100, so I'll place the strip on frame 100. You can see that it stops at frame 60 and starts to rotate again from frame 100. Next, let's connect the two actions you set to a series of actions without using keyframes. Place the strip you duplicated earlier in the same hierarchy as the source, Cube Action, by pressing G on your keyboard. After clicking one action, hold down Ctrl on your keyboard and select the other action. If you press Shift plus T on your keyboard with the previous or next action selected, a light blue strip called Transition will be added. You can see that the actions between frame 60 and frame 100 have been complemented. Next, let's combine the two actions into one animation. Set keyframes at frame 30 to rotate 360 degrees in the y-axis direction. At frame 90 to move 10 meters in the y-axis direction. Then at frame 120 to return to their original position. Open the NLA editor as before. First, I'll split the strip to delete the frame with no animation. Select frame 30. Right-click and choose Split Strip. Now move to frame 60 and split the strip in the same way. Then the strip is split like this. I'll select the middle strip and delete it by right-clicking and selecting Delete Strip. Then there will be a gap between the strips, so press G to move them and connect the strips together. With two strips selected, press Ctrl plus U on your keyboard to change to one purple strip called Meta. You can see that the rotation and movement animations are connected and become one animation. This is the end of the explanation on nonlinear animation. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.